I find this place very interesting. Especially because of the all the old trucks and farm vehicles and things like that. As you can see here, this is an old Ford. It's in great shape. And we've got an old tractor here. You can see it's not such a not in such a good shape, but it's an old machinery down here. I don't know what that is. I've been here before many times and taken photographs. Old plows and stuff. Old-fashioned truck. This place I think is called Jean's Berry Patch. This old truck here. Pretty cool. And they've got, you know, plants and over there that they sell, and then they've got yeah, it's Jean's Berry Patch. See, there's a playground there for the kids in the back. Stuff. An old engineer, steam engine. Some corn hanging. Look at this. Look at the colors on this corn. Here. That's what corn should look like. Not that GMO shit. So yeah, they got steam engineer. We've got a tractor here. This looks like it's in pretty good order. You see the stuff they've got growing in the fields back here. So here's another tractor. And then you've got this steam engine here. Got a pretty big funnel on it, you know, chimney should I say. A small steam engine. Tractor. A kiosk that you can get some donuts and stuff from. And there's a tractor here, like a bulldozer tractor type thing. And some tracks. Jean's Berry Patch since 1980. Thanks.